Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best polishers and buffers that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best polishers and buffers. Though cleaning your car's paint can reduce the appearance of scratches, buffing and polishing your vehicle can restore its shine. You can do this without incurring the extra expenses of hiring a professional. Buffing is the process of using polishing compounds to eliminate damaged paint. Using the right car buffer polisher can help you get a fresh paint surface. Number 5. Buffer Polisher SPTA 7-inch 180mm rotary polisher. Powerful motor 1200 watts, all ball bearing construction for long life. This great electric car buffer will speed up your detailing process. Main features: 6 variable speeds, 5 pieces 6-inch polishing pads, detachable side handle. Number 4. Tool 300 watts 2.5 amp dual action orbital polisher. Detachable side handle, TPE coated shockproof side handle makes low vibration, provides maximum comfort and firm grip even when working for long hours. Main features: wide application, powerful and stable, 6 variable speeds. Number 3. Work Pro Buffer Polisher 7-inch buffer waxer. A spindle lock button has been provided for locking the spindle of your tool in a stationary position for your safety. Depress and hold the lock button while installing. Main features: 1 pair carbon motor brushes, 6 variable speed, powerful motor. Number 2. Tack Life Buffer Polisher 7-inch/6-inch 12.5 amp. Ergonomic design, comes with a side handle and a D handle. You can choose the way that makes you feel comfortable, safe and provides convenient operation. Main features: variable speed and memory function, detachable side handle, switch lock design. Number 1. Tack Life 10-inch dual action random orbital car buffer polisher. 2 handle provides less fatigue and more ease of use on large projects. Special upright stand design keeps unit stable while fixing bonnet accessories. Main features: extra accessories, variable speed, ergonomic design. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.